In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Asana organization, and we'll walk through these steps together in about 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Asana website. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the Asana login page. Modern browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari work perfectly. Once you have Asana open, you'll see the login fields where you'll enter your email address linked to your Asana account. Make sure you type in the correct email to avoid any login issues. After you should have entered your email, go ahead and click on the Continue button. You'll be prompted to enter your password next. Ensure that your passwords are stored safely. Maybe consider a password manager if you aren't already using one. Once you've got your password entered correctly, click on the Login button to proceed. Now you'll find yourself on your Asana homepage. This is where all your ongoing projects and tasks will be visible. From here, look towards the top right corner where you'll find your profile icon. Click on that. After clicking your profile, you'll see a drop-down menu. Here, you want to select the specific workspace you intend to delete, which is basically the organization you no longer need. Make sure you double check that it's the right one, because once it's deleted, it cannot be recovered. Next, open up the workspace and go through each project within it. You'll need to either remove or delete all existing projects before proceeding further, as this is crucial in cleaning up the space. Once that's done, turn your attention to the members of this workspace. Make sure to remove all members associated with it. This ensures there are no lingering connections to your workspace. With the projects and members out of the way, click on your profile icon again. This will bring up the same drop-down menu or settings options. This time, go ahead and click on Settings. In the settings pane, you want to navigate to the account section. It's usually labeled clearly, so it should be easy to spot. Once you're in the account settings, look for the option that reads Remove me from this workspace. Click on that and you'll be prompted to confirm this action. Reassure yourself that you're ready to proceed and then click Remove to confirm. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted an Asana organization. Remember, these steps are irreversible, so make sure you're confident in the decision. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more how-to guides and tech tips. Until next time, keep organizing and streamlining your workflows effortlessly.